So one thing that we have to talk about before we kind of get into the test is that military helmets aren't mass issued ones, especially aren't specifically made to stop rifle rounds. Primarily the goal is to stop shrapnel from artillery, indirect fire. Of course, modern helmets like the ECH that was widely issued in the United States military will stop rifle rounds. However, that wasn't the intended purpose, and they weren't always rated for it. Obviously, there are rifle-rated helmets that are currently out there, such as from OpsCore or several other companies. But in general, mass-issued, Army military helmets are not typically to that standard. Today, we're going to be starting with a couple different tests to see what this is capable of. We're not going to be rocking straight out to a rifle round. We're going to be walking it up to try to test the actual rating that it might be at. I believe this will probably fall somewhere within about the level 2, level 2A, somewhere around there, which is about up to. So the first test we'll be using is going to be SPAL. When a rifle round impacts steel, it's going to splinter apart. We're going to get a bunch of very high velocity small rounds. We're going to be testing to see if this helmet is able to stop them. It is kind of our go-to first test when it comes to helmets. Charlie, do you have anything else to offer of value?
No, I'm just really excited to do this test.